Hello traders, today I'm trading matches together with you, and our prediction today is 8, and then I'm using 3 ticks. My stake is 5 USD, and then capital is 260 USD. Then as I can see, yeah, market is volatility 100 1 second index here. Yeah, so I'm waiting for the best entry point to appear for me to trade matches here. I'm really concentrating on the percentage increase and decrease of the percentage. Ah, shit. It's because I'm talking. That's why I'm not concentrating on the circles. So let me try to remain silent so that I can make another trade. The first one is a loss because I was just talking. Yeah. You need to understand well digital psychology for it to perform well in this market. Yeah. Entry point has appeared twice, but I was somehow late. So I just want to wait it for the last time. Yeah. Yeah, I think this is the last time I'm waiting for it. If you need more skill, reach out. The number is on the screen. It is Derif President. Yes. Yeah, this one you must understand well digital psychology for it to perform well. Yes, you need to be patient. As you can see, yes, that's one. That's my entry point. Profit. Yeah, so for more skills, reach out.